The Smart Engineer and the Smart Maintenance Navigator are the perfect team. Together, they design digital maintenance concepts for the sustainable maintenance of pharmaceutical production facilities. The Smart Engineer initiates the digital capture, specification, and visualization of all process-relevant plant components on its digital platform. At the end of the engineering phases, this smart data forms the digital twin, a virtual image of the plant and the process in terms of components, their properties and functions. Using the tools at its disposal, the Smart Maintenance Navigator wastes no time in filling the gaps between planning maintenance works and carrying them out. Its goal is to maximize the technological and economic effectivity of these maintenance measures, taking the entire plant into consideration. The Smart Maintenance Navigator makes all complex maintenance steps available on digital end devices, around the clock and at any site. In overview mode, in the 2D or 3D model of the plant, it is guided specifically to the right parts of the plant and the devices in need of maintenance, making its work much easier. At the touch of a button, all P&ID and digital documents are available on the mobile device and can provide information on relevant spare parts for assembly work. The integration of the Smart Maintenance Navigator into the running system is as easy as its application. Thanks to its flexible design, its application is extremely user-friendly, and a complicated IT project is rendered unnecessary. Switching to the Smart Maintenance Navigator is worth it. Maintenance works are completed markedly faster. Risks in maintenance-intensive system operations are minimized. The documentation of the maintenance procedures carried out is immediate and digital. Find out more now. The simulation of training scenarios not only makes maintenance works more efficient, it is also a valuable support tool for training new employees. Learn more at www.zeta.com/digitalization.